Hello everyone, welcome back to my gardening channel. Today I'm going to show you how to grow an avocado plant from its seeds. But first of all, subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest updates. So let's start without wasting the time. First of all, we need healthy avocado fruit and then we need to remove the seed carefully without cutting. In this video, I'm gonna grow 2 avocado. After removing the seeds, wash it well and remove all the extra fruit from its top. So today I'm gonna grow 2 avocado seeds by paper towel techniques. So we need paper towel. Wrap the seed well in paper towel as you seen in the video, and then spray water on it. Make sure that paper towel is completely wet. And then put it in a Ziploc bag. Then leave the Ziploc in 20 to 25 degrees Celsius temperature for 1 to 2 weeks. After 10 to 12 days, you will see that the roots are coming out from the paper towel. So now it's time to check the sprouting process. So while taking out the seeds, be careful that do not harm the roots or sprout of avocado. As you seen in the video, the roots are coming out. So now you will see the avocado seeds are germinate well. I'm growing avocado seed in December month. As it sprout well, so now it's time to plant it in a pot. According to me, paper towel method is the fastest and easiest method to fast germinate. You can even try this method to your other seeds like lemon seed or apple seeds to speed up your germination. So now I'm gonna plant it in a pot, and here I'm using my garden soil with organic compost. So place the avocado seed in the center of the pot as you seen in the video. And then cover well with the soil. Try to plant the seed approximately 1 to 2 inch deep inside the soil, and then add water in it. Make sure that the pot soil is completely moist. After 4 days, the seeds starts making the shoot system. So this is the update for 4 days. So this one is after 8 days. Make sure that they put the pot in window where the sunlight is coming. So this is the update of like 14 to 18 days. plant reached approximately 8 to 10 inches. So about watering, I'm gonna tell you, like, if you see the leaves are turning yellow, so it means it is due to like overwatering. So I'm growing this avocado in indoor. So thanks for watching my video. If you have any question, then comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks.